Sermon on the Mount, Matthew 5 verse 3 to 11. Blessed are the poor in spirit, admitting that because of your sin, you are completely destitute spiritually and can do nothing to deliver yourself from your dire situation, for theirs is the kingdom of heaven, now and forever. Blessed are they that mourn over their sins and repent, for they shall be comforted. Blessed are the meek, humility towards God and towards others, kind-hearted, for they shall inherit the earth. Blessed are those who hunger and thirst for righteousness, those who actively seek God, for they shall be completely filled. Blessed are the merciful, show compassion and forgiveness, for they shall obtain mercy. Blessed are the pure in heart, desire to please God in all things, for they shall see God. Blessed are the peacemakers, express Jesus' character, for they shall be called the children of God. Blessed are they which are persecuted for righteousness' sake, for theirs is the kingdom of heaven, both now and forever. Blessed are you when men shall revile you and persecute you, and shall say all manners of evil against you falsely for my sake.